The only way to know for sure whether you're going to be able to do it is if you're willing to pay for it. For everyone with an interest in Apple's flagship model, the most recent leak is terrible news. The iPhone 15 Pro Max will be the most expensive iPhone Apple has ever sold, according to a leaked rumor viewed by Apple Insider. The source doesn't specify a price but does state that it would be pricey. Prices for the iPhone 15 Pro models have long been expected to increase by much to $200. While these prices may come as a shock to US buyers, who have benefited from the strength of the dollar recently, global inflation has led to numerous price increases for foreign buyers in recent years, and domestic price increases were inevitable sooner rather than later. International buyers may also be hit again. The Puts report supports similar claims made by Wedbush analyst Dan Ives, who told CNBC last month that the average selling price of the next generation iPhones will increase. Ives didn't give specific pricing information, so it's not clear whether prices will increase across the range or only for Pro models. As Apple maintains its larger product strategy of expanding the difference between its Pro and non-Pro handsets, both iPhone 15 Pro models are predicted to receive rises. As the iPhone 15 Pro Max will only have a new periscopic optical zoom lens that is much too big to fit within the smaller Pro, their switch to an elite titanium chassis will be a problem. Outside of pricing, Pew continues, predicting that the iPhone 15 range would begin mass production in August and will be manufactured in quantities of 84 million by the end of 2023. The iPhone 15 range has already faced criticism for being a too-bow-proven improvement. This might still be the topic of speculations. This is because it's anticipated that the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus won't do much more than replicate the 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max dynamic island designs and employ their 16 chipset and 48-megapixel main camera. The 15 Pro and Pro Max will get more significant enhancements, including a titanium chassis, ultra-thin bezels, enhanced UWB, a next-generation 3M17 chipset, and a programmable solid-state action button that takes the place of the mute switch. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.